Set up your program Gradebook, go to the Edit view of your program and click on Gradebook Settings in the left-hand panel. This is where you'll configure the grading method for your program, decide how to publish grades to your learners, and view which activities will be included in the gradebook. Academy offers some built-in grading scales, or you can create your own custom grading scale. I'll choose Successful and Unsuccessful as an example. Your grading scale will be pre-populated on the Outcomes and Feedback tab based on the grading scale that you've chosen. From this tab, you can change your outcome titles, the score required to achieve each outcome, the outcome description, and the feedback that will be shown to the learner for that outcome. You have 3 options for releasing grades to learners. Publish grades manually means grades can be published manually by a facilitator or coordinator when they're ready. Publish instantly means grades are published as soon as a learner's grade is submitted. And publish on scheduled date means all grades are released on a specific date you've set. The Gradebook settings screen also includes a list of assessed activities in the program. This shows due dates and identifies any must-pass activities where learners must achieve a passing grade to pass the program overall. To ensure one of your activities appears in the gradebook, enable this in the task or assessment settings. And that's how you set up the program Gradebook.